The world is my gym. Let it be yours too. Jumping right into some typewriter style pull-ups. Left, right. Look at the biceps popping. I'm isolating them. Left, right. Then we going into some around the world pull-ups. We coming down. This works your back more. It also isolates your biceps, yeah, but it also works your lats. Then right into this, we're doing some L-sit pull-ups, incorporating that core a little bit more. All pull-ups incorporate your core to a certain degree. Party not done yet. Throwing one for extra credit. Let's go. Don't make excuses. Let the world be your gym.